MrsHappyHomemaker.com here, and today I'm going to show you how to make my green bean casserole. Now, traditionally, green bean casserole has canned cream of mushroom soup in it, but mine, it does not. So let me show you how to put it together. Now, I'm going to start off by melting a couple of tablespoons of butter in my pan here. Now, I'm going to add in about 2 cups worth of diced onions. And I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm going to cook these for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of diced baby bella mushrooms. You can also use white mushrooms. I'm going to stir this in and let this cook for a little bit longer until the onions are nicely caramelized. Once it's done caramelizing, just scoop it out and put it in a bowl and set the sauteed veggies aside. If you don't like mushrooms, you can just double up on the onions and leave the mushrooms completely out. Now I'm going to melt about 3 tablespoons worth of butter in my skillet. Now that the butter is melted, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm going to whisk that in and cook this for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of milk and whisk that up to combine it, making sure that there's no lumps. Now I'm going to add in 8 ounces of French onion dip. Yes, French onion dip. Trust me on this. And a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to whisk that up to combine it. And I got this cooking over medium heat, and I'm going to whisk it and continue to cook it until the sauce starts to bubble up a little bit. It has started to bubble, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off my heat, and I'm going to mix in 2 15-ounce packages of French-style green beans. These are frozen ones that I've already pre-cooked in my microwave. And I'm going to go ahead and add back in my sauteed mushrooms and onions from a little bit ago. And I'm going to stir that up to combine it. Now I'm going to stir in 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I like the sharp. And half of a 6-ounce container of French fried onions. I'm going to stir that up to combine it. And if you really like French fried onions, no shame in doubling it, because sometimes I've done that. As in a whole 6-ounce package of French fried onions inside the green bean casserole, and a whole thing of 6 ounces, a whole 6-ounce thing of French fried onions on top of the green bean casserole. I could honestly eat an entire pack of those as a snack. I just love them. Now I'm just sprinkling this with some French fried onions, some more French fried onions, and I'm going to put it into the oven. This is going to go into my oven on 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes.